I am a crazed
I'm
fan.
a Jonas. Look at me, head down. I'm a Jonas. Oh, she took her shirt off.
There is nothing to see here. Hey!
Oh, see me?
Is it someone famous? Yes. Is it me? No.
Is it me? Is it me?
God. It's Penny, but there's no sign of Nick. You really must be taking it slow
He
this
must
time.
be with me.
Makes me feel like I'm in heaven. Doesn't mean I'm moving too fast,
I
right?
can make you feel like you're in. Not like that, perv.
Hey, there you are.
Who says duh? Nobody. Just kidding, I said that. He makes my insides feel all warm. He's staring right in her eyes, like I could be her. I knew I should have gone to that acting thing. See, she's a beautiful disaster. I'd be like, I love that he's like, bass club. See, it's a bass and they all break. Well, I mean, I get it, but like, there's such thing for bass club. Dang it, watch this. What is that with everybody and Hugh Jackman today?
Someone a little too much in love again.
Penny,
I'm not in
Kung
love,
Fu
okay?
Penny.
But everybody please stop saying again. Happened like a couple times.
6
One
times.
man show.
total.
Penny.
Sure.
Oh!
Oh!
Boom goes the dynamite!
Boom goes the dynamite.
Okay.
That's all you have manly arms.
It's cool. Angel.
I love this. It's like it's just a mustache and a wig taped to my face.
The Jonas
No.
is in the house!
I like Joe's.
Seriously? Like crazy.
Double crow pants.
Jimmy.
Oh, Nick. He's all boom. No. Yes.
That's why I wrote it. I wrote it for you to sing. It's like our little Nickels growing up.
Nickel.
Sure is.
Oh. Just kidding.
I can't do this. I thought I was getting better at the romance thing. Nope, not at all.
I'll help you.
I made a total idiot of myself. Absolutely not.
For you.
Do I look like a waiter?
Hottest waiter
Everything
I've
okay?
ever seen.
Yeah, we were.
No! Oh, why?
Because he didn't like the song.
They do not harmonize. I can harmonize way better than that. She just.
Cause you know. Finally get yourself in a chair.
Because I told you my memory card's like bomb. Molly put that. And we'll just go back to talking about it? Yeah. I thought that would be funny. But no.
Next Saturday at 8/7 Central.
Dude, you should. Oh! I saw it! Kevin was like.
Talent in the Russo family.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Yeah. That wasn't the one.
Oh! She like took. Oh! She like. Oh, Kevin! She like stripped him! Joe has a lot of leg hair. Wild! It's the only thing I got. No! No! Don't touch me! Don't put your lips on me! This is Kenzie.
And this was Molly.
And this was our reaction to the Jonas premiere.
And we just wanted to let you know that I hope you thought this thing was wild.
Bye!